Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Larry coming back at you with a brand new YouTube video, and in today's video we're going to be installing some RTR side skirts that I actually purchased from Facebook Marketplace yesterday, and the guy was asking almost $250, which is original asking price on AmericanMuscle.com. So I asked him what was the lowest price he would give me. He said give me an offer, so I gave him a $100 offer. You always want to start off really low, that way you can get the price that you actually want to pay for them. So then he said 160 is the lowest he could do, and he agreed to that price. So I went ahead and drove there, which was about 20-30 minutes away, which wasn't too far from me. But anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and head downstairs and I'm gonna prep it up because he said he cleaned them, but they're not really that clean. But yeah, anyways guys, let's go ahead and head downstairs and let's get started. Alright guys, now that we have the side skirts all cleaned up and we installed the 3M tape on there, we're going to go ahead and move on over to the car. We're going to get it all prepped up, cleaned up, and then add the adhesion promoter, and then we can install the side skirts. So let's get started. After like an hour later, I finally got it installed. I'm using the jack stand as support so that the 3M tape really sticks together. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it was honestly a lot harder to put the push pins back in than it was taking them out. Alright guys, well, the plan was to install both of the side skirts, but I only ended up doing the driver's side because it got really late and I couldn't see anymore. You guys already know it gets dark around 5:30, and so I was working on it till like 5:30 is when I finished up the driver's side, and then it got dark, like I said, and I couldn't do the passenger side. So we're gonna go ahead and save that for another day, which is gonna be tomorrow. It's been raining these past couple days, so I haven't been able to do the other side because obviously you have to stick it with 3M tape, and then I have to jack up the car, this and that, and I don't have anywhere to put the car. I can do it in the garage, but my mom has epoxy floors, and yeah, no, it's bad. If I use the floor jack on the epoxy floors, it's just gonna scratch it all up, so I'm not trying to do that. All right guys, so I just got all the push pins out of the passenger side, so now we're gonna go ahead and install this RTR side skirt. This is where you put the pins in, and then obviously you have your 3M tape. The guy that I bought it from, he gave me some self-tapping screws, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that because this 3M tape isn't gonna hold the side skirt together. So as you guys can see, it isn't flush with it. It got pretty loose from the rain, so we're gonna go ahead and add those self-tapping screws onto it so that we can make sure the side skirt doesn't go anywhere. All right, y'all, so there you guys have it. The RTR side skirts are installed. As you guys can see, it makes the car look a lot nicer. Just gives it that wider stance. Let's look at this side. Man, I love it. I really love it. It was super easy to install, as you guys can see. I also installed some nuts down there. I don't know if you guys can see it somewhere in there. I installed some self-tapping screws. Obviously, you can't rely on the 3M tape when you're going at least over 80 miles per hour, so definitely recommend putting some self-tapping screws. You guys will know exactly where you guys need to put them. I put one right here, and then I put one over here, and then over here, and then over here, and then somewhere over here, just to make sure it has that nice flush look to it. Anyways, you guys can pick this up at americanmuscle.com. I believe the retail is $249.99, but it also comes with the little flaps back here. Obviously, I didn't get that because I bought it off somebody on Facebook Marketplace, so I just got the side skirts for about 150 bucks, which is not bad. Like I said, this retails for $249.99, and I started taking off these backing plates for my louvers. Like I said, I sold them, so I need to get rid of them. It was basically just being held by 3M tape and then some epoxy glue around it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. That's gonna be it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching the video. So there it is, guys. I love the car. It's a V6, if you guys don't know. It is not a 5.0. I'm sorry to disappoint you guys, but it is what it is. I get a lot of compliments on this car thinking it's a 5.0. They're always asking me, hey, is it a 5.0? Obviously, I have to tell them it's a V6, but no biggie. I love this car, like I said. If you guys have any questions to where I got all the stuff at, please leave it down in the comment section below. I would be more than glad to answer you guys' questions. But that's gonna be it, guys. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.